Suite Stateroom 2402. So when you immediately come in and you go to the left is a huge closet. I've already started putting our luggage in, but right now the ladder is being stored in here. You have a ton of hanger space. There is a family harbor robe. I think we're missing one, but I don't think we were planning on using them anyway. Extra bedding. There are hangers or hooks for drying items. You have a full length mirror. Your closet. In here you have shelves up the entire thing. On this side, so it's just the full shelves on both sides. This one has more shelving, safe, and then drawers. When you come out of the closet area, you have the first bathroom. This one is a shower, toilet, and sink, so your standard bathroom. More hooks for you to hang items. This is the second bathroom. This one has a tub. I always enjoy getting a room that has a tub. Traveling with small children makes it easier to bathe them. And then it also has a sink, so we have a total of 2 bathrooms. We have our desk, phone. We have a total of 2 standard plugs, and we have 2 USB plugs, and then the European plug. I will show you all later a hack for those of my iPhone users of what you need to bring to utilize more space with regards to your charging your electronics. We have a TV here. Swinging around here is the main area of the suite. A king size bed, but this could also be separated into 2 twin sizes. This would be, if you're traveling with the family, this would be where the parents would sleep. Right here is the kids area. Again, you don't have to have a family to stay in here, but typically in family harbors, this is typically what you would see. Up there is a bunk bed, and that's why they had the ladder. There is a bed here, and then this will convert into a bed as well. I will show you all later in the video how that changes in the evening. There are lights for the kids, I guess if they wanted to read or watch TV late. And speaking of TV, they have their own TV. So guess what? Parents, you don't have to fight with your kids about what you want to watch versus what they want to watch. And the creme de la creme of the suite is the balcony. Now this balcony is long enough, it can fit 4 people. So there are 4 chairs and a table, and it is considered a cove balcony. So right under the lifeboats, you don't have any type of obstruction with regards to your view. And you literally have all this space. There's a little pole right here, so you kind of gotta whip around there if you're gonna sit over here, but still, what a view. A lot of people sleep on cove balconies because they're low, but the fact that there's you get those views right on the water, there's no obstruction, it's a win for me. And of course, that Miami view. So yeah, again, this is a family harbor suite, stateroom 2402 in Family Harbor. And this is how the beds look at night. The bunk bed, and then 2 beds together. So this is how you can successfully fit 5 people comfortably, don't mind all the luggage on the bed, into this room. This is the Family Harbor Lounge. They have a TV. They have a little chill area with games for the kids. You come in here, you have seating. And this is exclusive for those who have Family Harbor access. We have our own ice cream machine, coffee and tea. breakfast will be served here.
Tomorrow.
And then there will be milk. There's milk in here already. Milk and yogurts in here for the kids. And then there's also going to be there's video games, computer access. And over here is another lounge area with another TV. So I will show you guys like once it's actually up and running. But let me show you the hours that this is available. So breakfast, port days, debarkation morning, afternoon snack, and evening cookies and milk. All right, y'all, I came back in the morning to show you what the breakfast for the kids and families are looking like. So bacon, sausage, French toast, potatoes, eggs, look like some beans, hard-boiled eggs. I think that's oatmeal and grits. So, and they have breads and stuff. So this is a really nice feature for a mama that don't want to go all the way upstairs to get her kids something to eat.